viewers, welcome to Akshaya Villas and Crafts. Today let's see Alathur Anjaneer Temple. Alathur is a small village near Tirur of Malappuram district. Here there is a famous Hanuman temple called Sri Alathur Kovil. Devotees believe that this Hanuman was consecrated 3000 years back by sage Vashishta himself. The most interesting fact of this temple, it is a Rama temple where Hanuman is the Upadevata. Rama is without Sita and Hanuman appears to be taking orders from Rama. Devotees believe that Lord Rama is sending Hanuman to search for Sita Devi and is telling how Sita Devi looks, that is, words for identification. That would help him to identify himself to Sita when he locates her. So the face of Hanuman shows concentration and attention. It is interesting to see that Lord Lakshmana also is not with him because Lord Rama wants the secret words not to be heard by anyone except his assistant. Possibly this is the story of Indra's son attacking Sita as a crow. Sri Lakshmana is separately positioned on the west within the temple complex but a few meters away from Sri Rama. It is believed that Sri Lakshmana was keeping himself at a small distance away deliberately. In the temple there is also a long granite platform with sea being indicated at one end, possibly symbolic of the great mountain platform from which Hanuman jumped to cross the sea. This Hanuman is considered as guardian of children. He is also supposed to remove mental agonies of people just like he removed the mental agony of Lord Rama. Most of the families around the temple pray before going to bed. Oh dear Hanuman of Alathur, kindly keep bad dreams away from us. And if we were to be haunted by bad dreams, do please wake up us by gently tapping us with your tail. It is believed that those who recite this verse before going to bed will not have bad dreams. The devotees coming to the temple are encouraged to run, jump, and cross the granite platform so that the children would become more healthy. The Alathur temple is special to its devotees for very many reasons. Sri Rama is the presiding deity here. The daily pujas, rituals, offerings by devotees, and spectacular annual temple festival all are held in the honor of presiding deity Sri Rama. However, the devotees popularly prefer to the temple the Hanuman temple, and in a way it symbolizes the triumph of the supreme strength of bhakti of Sri Hanuman as an ideal which overshadows Sri Rama. He is separated from his beloved consort Sita by the mighty Ravana, who has abducted her to Lanka. Sri Rama is seen entrusting Hanuman the impossible task of locating the whereabouts of Sita. Sri Rama confides to Hanuman about how to look for Sita in the Lanka. Hanuman now only has to cross the vast and formidable sea that separates the Lanka from the mainland. 33 crores gods gather to witness this significant act. It is an act in which the Avatar Purusha Sri Rama seeks the assistance of his Bhakta Hanuman. All the gods bestow Hanuman with their enormous strength so that he succeeds in his mission. For Hanuman, this is a very significant moment and hence his preeminence at Alathur. The favorite offering of Sri Hanuman is wet aval, podi aval, and another important offering is kadali plantain. The temple became famous because of Srimati Jayalalitha's visit on the advice of an astrologer. After that, very large number of devotees visit this temple every day. The temple is 6 km away from Tirur railway station and 39 km away from Calicut International Airport. Cross the formidable sea of troubles at Alathur. There is a major ritual for the visitors to the temple. There is a platform to commemorate Sri Hanuman's mighty leap to Lanka over the sea. There is a long granite stone at one end of the platform and symbolizes the sea. Devotees come running and leap over the long stone. By doing this, auspicious result is expected, especially for the better health and life of the children. Let's all have the blessings of Sri Hanuman and Lord Rama, Lord Lakshmana, and be happy. Thank you, viewers. Bye bye, viewers.